Welcome back to Limitless Trading. Let's break down today because the market pulled a full U-turn on. Overnight, we held the 655 and we squeezed all the way to 674, right through our 673 AI target that we had that we're giving our Discord members, and then completely rolled over on fear. And this, we hit both AI targets today. The 674 and the 655 were both during our intraday. So the bulls had the morning trigger at the open, and then the downside trigger came in later in the session. And that's exactly why we follow the data instead of emotions. We just use AI. And everybody was calling for the squeeze fake out yesterday. Then everybody was yelling bearish at the highs, and then the market did both, which is a classic move. If you want these AI triggers imbalances at the end of the day that we do the MOC imbalances, dark pool levels, please subscribe and like, comment below, and join our Discord, and we'd love to have you and bring you on board. So we wanted to show you what happened in the overnight session. So the 655 held right here overnight, and that was the AI trigger for us to get to 660 with the ultimate target of being 673, with the possibility that the NVIDIA earnings were going to be good. We saw the trigger, and then at 673, the market decided to roll over. We got an additional trigger that we had hit the top, and that we were going to have to come back and retest all these levels. 666, we were going to blast through at 660, and we were going to at least retest 655. Now 665 is breaking down as of this conversation, so 650 is a lower target. And then we have dark pulls down and support down at, I think, 642 area. So obviously the market is rolling over. The market is not very happy at all. We have to at least regain 655 to see any sustainable recovery to get back to 660, so on and so forth, to get back. Now the next AI trigger to the top side is a lower high, which is 662. So it looks like the market is doing 662. That may be walking it down again and ending November very, very bearish. So if there's going to be a holiday rally, it isn't going to be right now. So what we want to see again, if the 655 doesn't hold here as we're breaking down, we're going down. I believe 647 is a dark pull right here, and then lower than that, we have very, very, like I said, deep dark pulls. So in the short-term action, it's still very choppy, very reactionary, still to the downside, still very bearish, unless we recover 655 and 660 to get to at least a 662, which would, like I said, be a higher low.